homestead down here in Lebanon, Tennessee. My name is Prentice Odom. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today, I'm going to show y'all a quick update before I go to work on my fig trees and how they're doing. Hold on one second. This one right here is my Cadota. You can see here, it's grown from that a lot. I got this little rope around it and trying to keep the branches up off the ground. And I will be taking most of these off. I'm gonna leave about one or two. I'll probably do that this weekend. The ones I could think they got give me good potential, maybe getting a few figs, and the rest of them I'll make new trees out of. So that right there is my white Marcellus. My Cadota. Excuse me. And this one right here is that brown turkey. And I'll be doing the same thing with it. It hasn't grown that much, but it's got a lot of branches off that need to come off. And I'll get them off this weekend. So that's brown turkey. And this one right here is that Celeste. You can see it's got natural growth. I'll keep this one and probably take the 3 off. This one right here is grown like a beast. I always call this Michigan Black, but it's not actually Michigan Black. Went back to my first video that I did, and when it still had the tag on it, and actually this is Fierce Black. And it has got growing like crazy, but yet no figs, not yet. Look like some potential. If they don't do something pretty soon, might not get none this year off of that. And this one right here is that white Marcellus. It's growing pretty good, you see. And all of these dive back to the ground over winter, and all this is new growth. You can see it's starting to lignify some of the growth on some of them. That's the white Marcellus. And this one right here is that it's growing like a beast. It's that LSU purple. No figs yet, but it is growing like a beast. I'm gonna take it. I might leave 1 or 2 on. The rest of them they coming off. I gotta try to put them up in a pot and I'm gonna try to dig down. You see how most of them land on the ground? I might be able to get some roots off of each one of them. Maybe, so I won't have to use this cut. Maybe they already have some roots for me. This one right here is that Olympic, which is the oldest. And look, she's already got some little figlets for me. I don't know if I can see that or not. So yeah, that branch has got some little figlets. Not like this one is starting to pop out on some. Yeah. So that's that Olympic. This right here is my Violet de Bordeaux. Just planted this spring. A lot of new growth on her. She's looking lovely, This one right here was planted this spring too. And this is that Italian honey. She got some natural growth. She was here when I put her in the ground. Now look how much growth she got on her. So she's growing pretty good. She's loving it. It's a little rooted cutting, a Desert King. Trying to get to take hold. Maybe it will. See them grapes. I'm picking blueberries down. Some blackberries. If I can get them before the birds get them. Gooseberries are starting to come in. Turning red down there. And they're actually pretty good. Blackberries we've been picking. This car must go down and start. Grapes is getting bigger. This Niagara grape. Grapes is getting bigger. See? That's that. Do your thing, baby. Let me show you some of the blueberries my wife roses. picking quite a bit of them blueberries. I don't know how I missed that picking a cucumber this morning when I was out here picking, but that was another one. I'll leave them for in the morning. Okra starting to come in. I think they loving this warmer weather. Peppers too. You know the miters. They coming along. Been picking a lot of them midnight snack tomatoes. Yeah, potatoes looking like they dying off. Put more tomatoes in right here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, my name's Prentice down here at Odom's Homestead down here in Lebanon, Tennessee, Zone 7A. Y'all have a blessed day.